Welcome to English class using situational conversation.
Scene 1, shopping for new shoes.
Hey, did you buy new shoes?
Yes, I just got them yesterday.
What kind are they?
They're sneakers. Very comfy.
Nice. What color did you choose?
They're black with white accents.
Cool. Are they for running or casual wear?
Mostly for casual wear, but I can run in them too.
Good choice. How much did they cost?
They were on sale, so $60.
That's a great deal. Where did you buy them?
At the mall, in that new sports store.
I haven't been there yet. How was the selection?
They had a lot of options, different brands.
Did you try on many pairs?
Yes, I tried about 5 pairs.
Was it hard to choose?
A little, but these felt the best.
Do they fit well?
Yes, just right, no tight spots.
That's important. Are you excited to wear them?
Definitely. I can't wait for the weekend.
Awesome. Let's go for a walk then.
Sure, I'd love to show them off.
Scene 2, complimenting new shoes.
Wow, those are new shoes.
Thanks, I just got 'em.
They look amazing. What brand are they?
They're Nike?
Nice, I love Nike shoes.
Me too, they're so comfortable.
What color are they?
They're bright red.
Bold choice. Do they match your outfit?
Yes, I planned it that way.
That's smart. How do they feel?
Really good. I can walk all day in them.
I need a pair like that.
You should check them out.
I will. Do they have good support?
Yes, great arch support.
Perfect for running then.
Exactly. I'm excited to try them out.
Are you going to use them for exercise?
Yes, I want to start jogging again.
That's awesome. Let's run together sometime.
I'd love that.
Scene 3, new shoes for an event.
Are those new shoes for the party?
Yes, I just bought them.
They look stylish. Where did you get them?
At the shoe store downtown.
Nice. What style are they?
They're dress shoes, black leather.
Great choice. Are they comfortable?
Yes, surprisingly.
How long can you wear them?
I can wear them all night, I hope.
That's important for dancing.
Exactly. I want to enjoy the night.
Are you wearing them with a suit?
Yes, a navy suit.
Sounds sharp. What else do you have planned?
Just having fun with friends.
Can't wait to see you in the outfit.
I'll show you a picture later.
Awesome. Are you nervous about the party?
A little, but it should be fun.
You'll be great. Enjoy it.
Thanks, I will.
Scene 4, caring for new shoes.
Hey, how are your new shoes?
They're great. I love them.
Good to hear. Are you taking care of them?
Yes, I'm cleaning them regularly.
What do you use to clean them?
Just a damp cloth and some soap.
That's smart. Any special tips?
I also use a shoe protector spray.
I've heard of that. Does it work?
Yes, it keeps them looking new.
I should try that for mine.
Definitely, it helps with stains.
How often do you clean them?
After every few wears, usually.
Sounds good. Do you store them safely?
Yes, I keep them in the box.
That's a good idea. Any other tips?
Don't wear them in the rain too much.
Right. I'll remember that.
Good, they'll last longer that way.
Thanks for the advice.
Scene 5, new shoes and fashion.
Your new shoes are really trendy.
Thanks. I love the style.
What's the style called?
They're called chunky sneakers.
I've seen those everywhere.
They're very popular right now.
How do you style them?
I wear them with jeans and a t-shirt.
That sounds casual and cool.
It's a great look for everyday wear.
Do you think they'll go out of style?
Maybe, but I like them too much.
That's important. Wear what you love.
Exactly, fashion should be fun.
Are there other colors?
Yes, they have white, blue, and more.
I might get a pair too.
You should. They're versatile.
I can't wait to try them on.
Let me know how it goes.
Will do. Thanks for the chat.
Scene 6, discussion on jacket.
I love your new jacket. It looks so stylish.
Thanks. I just got it. It's a bomber jacket.
Bomber jackets are really in right now.
Yeah, they're super popular this season.
How do you like to wear it?
I usually pair it with a graphic tee and skinny jeans.
That sounds awesome. Perfect for a casual outing.
Exactly. It's a great way to stay comfy and look good.
Do you think it'll be trendy for a while?
Hard to say, but I'm definitely gonna wear it as long as I can.
That's the spirit. It's all about wearing what makes you happy.
Totally. Fashion should be expressive.
Are there different colors available?
Yes, I saw it in green, navy, and even a bright red.
I might have to check them out.
You should. They're really versatile.
Can't wait to see what you choose.
Let me know if you need help styling it.
Will do. Thanks for the tips.
Scene 7, buying new handbag.
Your new bag is so cute. Where did you get it?
Thanks. I got it from a local boutique.
It has such a unique design.
I know, right? It's a crossbody bag with some fun patterns.
I've seen a lot of crossbody bags lately. Are they comfy?
Definitely. They're super practical for everyday use.
How do you usually style it?
I wear it with a casual dress or even jeans and a sweater.
That sounds versatile. Do they come in other styles?
Yes, they have a ton of options.
I might need to get one for myself.
You totally should. They make great statement pieces.
I love that. I want something that stands out.
Exactly. It's all about adding your personal touch.
I can't wait to shop around.
Let me know if you want to go together.
For sure. Thanks for the inspiration.
Scene 8, talking about new sweater.
That sweater looks so cozy. Where did you find it? Thanks. I got it from an online store. I love the color. Is it warm? Yes, it's perfect for chilly days. How do you like to style it? I wear it with leggings or over a dress for a layered look. Sounds comfy. I need more cozy outfits for fall. For sure. Sweaters are a must-have this season. Do you have any favorite brands? I really like this one brand known for their soft fabrics. Nice. I'll have to check them out. You should. They have great sales too. That's even better. I'll keep an eye out. Let me know if you find anything you like.
I will. Thanks for the tips.
Thanks for watching. If you're new here, our channel is dedicated to helping you learn English through everyday conversations and real-life situations. We believe that practicing English in contexts you encounter daily is the best way to become fluent and confident. From ordering food to making small talk, we cover a wide range of scenarios to help you communicate effectively in English. Subscribe now and join us on this journey to mastering English one conversation at a time.